So recently, a lot of people have been asking me to make a tips and tricks video on cardboard tanks. And this makes sense because in my how-to videos, I don't really go too deep into every part of the tank. Examples being what kind of glue I should use or how should I paint my tank. And I don't talk about these things in my regular how-to videos because if I did, I would have to talk about them in every video. So it looks like a really good idea to teach that in tips and tricks videos. Of course, I can't cover every tip and trick I want to show in just one video, so it'll be split up in a series. Like one tips and tricks video will be focusing on scaling and one will be focused on painting. This, I hope, will make it a lot easier for you guys to learn what you want to learn. And also, I don't consider myself a pro at cardboard making yet. This was a hobby that I picked up about 3 years ago, and I still have a lot more years to go. I am only 15 after all. So the tips and tricks I give you right now might not be as good as my tips and tricks in the future. So take this all with a grain of salt. In the future, I will also be expanding from making other things besides cardboard tanks, because you can make basically anything out of cardboard. So in the future, I might expand onto making figurines, buildings, cars, plants. I have no clue. Basically what I'm saying is that this series will be reoccurring on my channel and I hope you like it. And soon the first tips and tricks video will appear. So hopefully you enjoy this series. And also, I want to give thanks to the people that responded to my post about the tips and tricks videos a while back. So thanks, and yeah, that's it. Actually, it's not the end. Many of you have been requesting to make a stop motion tutorial for like muzzle flashes or just stop motion in general, but I'm gonna hold off on that a while because in my opinion, none of the stop motions I've made so far have actually reflected my skills and I'm not really that proud of them. And my philosophy is that if you're gonna teach something, you better be really experienced at it. So I'll be making a stop motion / effects / video editing / whatever tutorial when I finish my next stop motion, which I won't tell you about.